Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our monthly inspiration hop. The team and I are sharing some beautiful fall projects using our new fall products at Not Too Shabby. So I wanted to share a new card we're going to create today. But first, when you go hopping, remember to like each video, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and come back to the link that's in the description box so you can enter into the giveaway. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. We'll have a playlist in the description box where you can hop to each video or use the hashtag as you see on the screen. This giveaway will close in 1 week. I'll list the winner on the community tab here on my YouTube channel. So here are some beautiful fall cards that I created with the products from the new release. I'm going to show these quickly and then we're going to get to making a brand new card using the Hedgehog collection. These were really fun to make. We have beautiful ephemera in stock. Beautiful, gorgeous papers. This is from the Paper Pad Club. So I thought we use Hedgehogs, and we used the stamp set Hedgehogs. This was in your box of the month. I do have a couple available. I've listed them for sale. They were leftovers from our subscription box. So if you like the stamp set, go ahead and scoop it up while you can. It will not be reordered. I brought out some older dies. I thought these two dies here would go super cute with your hedgehogs. These were designed by Stacy Tiedemann, and we've got an apple shaker die and this really cute clipboard die, and I thought this would go really cute with the hedgehogs. But today I'm going to use the clipboard, and I'm going to use one of the little hedgehogs. This is what the clipboard looks like when you cut it out. I'm going to add a cute little hedgehog with this clipboard on a card. So I have my craft card base ready. I'll have all the products linked in the description box for you. I thought I'd use the little hedgehog reading the book. There's also a nice little sentiment that says enjoy every page that you could pair up with that guy. And let's go ahead and pick out some sheets for our background. So I really want to use something with the apples, and I think I like this for a background. That's really cute with the apple basket. The little hedgehog. There's a nice little sheet here with apples that will look really cute with this. All right, let's start off with those two. I might want to throw a little plaid in there. Alright, so there's a cute little hedgehog. It's going to make a really cute teacher card. I'm going to use my go-to reddish brown color combination, which is E99, E97, and E95. We'll make his little quills darker than his face. So I'm just going to go around his face here. We'll leave his ears a little bit lighter and his little hands a little bit lighter. Let's go a little bit dark down the center. And then I'm just going to blend this color out with my E97. And we'll leave the outer edge for our lightest color, which is E95. Okay, I'm going to go back with E99. I want a little bit more darker right here. I'm just going to do some flicks and a little bit of darkness coming out from the sides here. And then I'll just go back to the E97 and then blend it all back out with the E95. The second coat just really helps to make your image pop. Okay, so there's our cute little guy. Let's add another shade of brown for his face. I think something like E11. Okay, let's do E13 and E11 and E00. And I'm going to do the darkest right here around the trim here of his fur. And let's do some under here where the book is, where he's opening the book. And then I'm going to get inside his glasses. I'm going to leave a little bit of space there for our lightest color, and I'm going to leave his little cheeks the light as well. Let's finish up his paws. And then we can go in with the E00 and just finish this off. I think this image would be really fun to add some glossy accents to where his glasses are. Would that be fun? So I'm just going to blend this all out. I want to add a little bit of pink. I like to use R20 for blush. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pink right here. Okay, for his book, I grabbed a darker color. I grabbed E19 and R14. I want it to have a little bit of a reddish tone to it, but I want it to be a little bit dark because I want it to match this kind of apple here. So I'm going to color the spine, one side of it, and shadow the other side. And then we'll bring in our red. And I'm going to work these two colors together. Okay, for the inside of the book, we can do a gray. So I have a C5. So I'm going to make some of the pages gray and leave some of them white. And then I'm going to take my C1 and just blend this out a little bit. I'm going to take my white Jelly Roll pen and whiten the dots of the eyes a little bit. And I'm going to fussy cut this out. And if you're on the club, we do have the coordinating dies listed on the website. You can pick those up if you'd like to cut out your images, or you can always fussy cut them out, which I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to add my cute little image to my clipboard. I do have the Easy Wonder dies on pre-order right now. I have opened that up through the 15th of this month. So if you haven't ordered your Wonder dies yet, you can still get in on a pre-order, and those will be shipping the end of October. most likely, and I want to use these two little wedge pieces for the top and bottom of my card. I think that would be really cute. Since this is going to be covering up most of the center, I thought it'd be cute to have a little bit of these two patterns showing on the top and the bottom. So if you haven't seen the Easy Wonder dies, it's an awesome die that LV handcrafted, designed for the Not Too Shabby shop, and you run it through your die cutting machine with one pass. It's great for your 6x6 papers. You'll get 8 different cuts out of one pass. So really, really great design there. So I've got all these lovely cuts that I can use on a card, and you also get that thanks little sentiment there. So that would also go great with this teacher card, but right now we're just going to use this here. And I'm going to use the wedge, the cute little apples on it. One for the bottom, and then this plaid one for the top. So I'm going to run it through again, and I'll have some leftover pieces where I can create some more cute cards. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some glue. All right, so now for our little clipboard, I'm going to pop that up with foam tape. Okay, I got a nice piece of foam tape on the back of this. Let's see, I can angle it a little bit. I think that would look really cute. Let's angle that. And then I think that this cute little guy deserves to be on a wobbler. All right, so I am going to peel the bottom off. Okay, so I have my cute little guy on a little wobbler. So fun. And then I think I want to put some Nouveau on his little glasses, and then this card will be done. So I hope you guys have fun on the hop and get lots of inspiration for fall projects. Okay, so we'll let that dry. I'll have a still photo at the end. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.